Good day everyone, especially to Miss Denise Angel Diquito. So our research entitled Extent of Welding Skills Among Chunichi Heavy Industries Cebu Incorporated Welders. The first thing, the main problem we addressed was to determine how skilled the welders and how their training and experience affect their work quality. This is important because welding plays a crucial role in shipbuilding, safety, and productivity. We were motivated to conduct this study since there was limited research focusing on welders' actual skill levels within the company. We use descriptive quantitative research design, employing survey questionnaires distributed to welders. This method allowed us to collect measurable data about their skills, experience, and training background. During data collection, we faced challenges with scheduling since welders work in different shifts. To overcome this, we coordinate surveys during their break times. Ensure validity and reliability. Our questionnaires was validated by experts and pilot tested before use. Our findings revealed that most welders have high extent of welding skills, mainly due to their long years of experience and the company continuous training program. This result supports previous literature stating that hands-on experience and regular skill enhancement improve job performance and product quality. In terms of real-life application, our study suggests that Chunichi and similar industries should continue and even strengthen their training program to maintain high production standards. Future researchers could also look into how welding skills level affect productivity or defect rates in shipbuilding. Through this year, we developed several skills including critical thinking, teamwork, communication, and time management. And it also give us a deeper appreciation for the welder's technical expertise and the importance of continuous learning in industrial arts. For our oral defense, we anticipate questions like why we choose quantitative research or how we measured skill level. We will justify that our method was appropriate because it provides objective data that describes the welder's competency clearly. Finally, our strongest argument for the study credibility and significance is that it is based on real data from experienced industrial workers analyzed using validated tools. The results can help improve training programs, enhance productivity, and maintain the high quality standards essentially in shipbuilding. So that is all. Thank you for watching. So thank you.